everyone, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn grammar. Before start, I will going to read the sentence. Okay, let us read the sentence. Listen carefully, all of you. First sentence here: I drink a glass of milk. Full stop. See this sentence. I have underlined this a glass here and underline here milk word with using red pen. Here a glass I have underlined here blue pen. To show here a glass, it is a countable noun. Okay, and we can use a before the countable noun. Okay, milk, I have used a red pen. Why? Because milk we can't count it. We cannot count milk word, so I use here red pen. It shows it is uncountable noun. Okay, dear students, listen carefully. Milk is here uncountable. Glass, it is countable. Okay, I have drank or I drink 2 glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. Okay, we can use a for the singular noun, and if you are telling, if you are drank or drinking 2 glass, you can write 2 glass. Okay, means we can count the glass. So glass is here countable noun and milk it is here uncountable noun. I hope you have understood countable and uncountable. Next sentence: many kids are playing with toys. Here I have underlined kids word and toys because we can count these nouns: toy, kids, we can count. So I have used here or underlined with using blue pen. So both words are countable nouns. Next, cows also countable noun. Cows are grazing in the field. Here cows, it is a noun. We can count. That's why it is uncountable noun. Sorry, it is a countable noun. Next, I have underlined here using red pen. Field, it is uncountable noun because we can't count of the field, and we use the to show the definite article. We use the definite article before the uncountable noun. Okay, field, it is uncountable noun, as well as the is used to show the definite noun. Okay, here a letter is it is used for the countable nouns, and the is used here to show that the noun it is uncountable. I hope you have understood countable and uncountable nouns. Today we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns. I hope you have understood. See once again, common nouns are either countable or uncountable. Yes, common nouns can be countable, such as the example plural form has given cans, kids, cows, houses. We can use a and the also. A brush, an orange, the man. Okay, we can use the also in the countable noun. We can use many words such as the many, few, large number of before the countable noun. Many apples, few roses, a large number of bottles. Let us see the uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns, those are we can't count, such as the example are water, butter, salt, milk. We can use the article before the countable noun. The is here definite article use before the uncountable, the field. Okay, next, the juice we had, the milk is cold. Take words such as much, little, a large amount of. We can use the much, little for the uncountable nouns. Both countable and uncountable noun have following in the common. Both countable and uncountable nouns we can use some and lot of before the nouns. Some bananas, some milk, lot of chocolates, lot of honey. Honey is here uncountable noun. See, chocolate it is countable, milk is uncountable, bananas are here. It is the countable, so we use some bananas, some milk, lot of chocolates, lot of honey. I hope you understood. See the next, we can use any before the questions and negative. We can use any word to make a question or negative form. Did you have any paper? Yes, here use any only for the question and negative. Do you have any milk? There isn't any bulb. See, negative sentence we use any. It is use any. There isn't any light. I hope you understood the countable and uncountables noun. Let us continue the exercise where to use here U for countable and C for the uncountable nouns. I am going to read the words television. It is countable or uncountable? Yes, it is countable. Oil uncountable, so I am writing U only. Jam uncountable. Cup countable, so I am writing C. Shoe countable. Time uncountable, we can't count. Umbrella we can count. Cheese we can't count, so it is uncountable noun. Friend we can count. Luggage we can count, so I am writing it as C. Let us see the question number 2. Read the words and write much or many in the boxes. We have to use much and many. Much water, we can't say many water, we have to choose much for the uncountable noun. As per we have read in the rules, much it is used for the uncountable noun. Much water, many umbrellas, many ribbons, many money, much money, sorry I told many, much money, many coins, many girls, many mangoes, butter, we can't count the butter, so write here much butter, much oil, much rice. Okay, complete the exercise. Next question, circle the correct option, choose the correct option given 3 of them. A, any / many much kites are flying in the sky. Which will be the correct answer? Many kites are flying in the sky. We can't choose any because any is any. This word used for question and negative sentence only. Okay, and much it is used for uncountable noun. Many it is used for the countable noun. So I choose here many. Do you understand? Next, I cannot eat this. Any, many, much. Much food, I cannot eat much food. Food it is uncountable noun. So you have to choose, you have to see carefully, think about the correct noun. It is countable or uncountable. You have to think the correct noun, either it is countable or uncountable. See, there isn't any, many, much milk. Some milk it is noun but it is uncountable, so there isn't much milk. Next, D, Ram has any / many / much crayons in his box. Many crayons, so crayon, because crayon it's a countable noun. E, there are any, many, much stars in the sky. Stars, we can count them, uncountable, so it is, we should have to take many stars in the sky. F, I had some / many rice for lunch. I had some rice for lunch. I am meeting some any little friends at the party tonight. I am meeting some friends. Next, there is a little water in the bucket. There is a few water in the bucket. No, there is little water in the bucket. Which will be the correct answer? There is a few water in the bucket, so I am writing here, choose a few. The quarrelsome man has dash dash friends. Quarrelsome man has few friends. My aunt uses many slash a lot of oil in her cooking. Lot of oil. We can't choose many because many is it is for used for countable noun, and oil it is uncountable noun. So a lot of is correct. Okay, I found a large number of shells on the beach. Large number of shells on the beach. Last, he drank a large number of apple juice. He drank large amount of apple juice. Juice here uncountable, so here amount will be select. See the question 4. Filling the blanks, choosing the correct word from the box. Here given the words. You may use some words more than once. You can choose the more words more than once. Okay. See the words in the box. Piece, packet, grain, bottle, cake, slice, bell, tank, pen, note, tube, bar, can, sack, pile, sheaf. A number. Let us see the exercise. A dash of water. We have to write here answer. I have choose here bottle, no, tank of water. Write here tank. Whatever has done, tick there. B, dash of bread, slice of bread. It is done. Slice. Third, a bar of soap. Yes, bar of soap. D, a dash of juice, can of juice. E, a dash of salt, packet or sack of salt, maybe. Packet is there? Yes. Packet or sack, you can choose. A dash of sand, grain of sand. Next, a dash of glass, a pane of glass. Next, H, a dash of corn, sheaf of corn. I, a dash of cloth, a bale of cloth, a bale. J, a dash of oil, a bottle of oil. K, a dash of toothpaste. Here given the tube. Where is the tube here? Yes, tube. A dash of paper, a pile of paper or a piece of paper. Yes, here given the piece of paper. A dash of chocolate, a bar of chocolate. Here bar, we can choose again bar of chocolate. A dash of rice, a sack of rice. A dash of music, a note of music, a note here. Next, a dash of news, a piece of news. Q, a dash of chalk, a piece of chalk here. We can choose here. We can write. Last is a dash of wood, a pile of wood. Here pile, see, pile of wood. Here. Now all of you have to complete the given exercise. Do it and read the all exercise carefully.